Tonight, America is sending mixed signals to Indians. The dream that attracted millions of Indians over the last several decades, it is now facing some tough questions. Inflation is rising, jobs are becoming uncertain, immigration fear are growing, and many Indian families are finding themselves caught between hope and hardship. From Gujaratis who once strongly supported Mr. Trump, but now they feel disappointed with rising cost and changing realities, to Indian students who have started investigating every job offer before accepting it because they fear scams and immigration trouble. From major layoffs at Meta creating panic among H-1B workers to a heartbreaking story of a deported mother who was allowed to return to America only to attend her son's funeral. And finally, a story that reminds us that true courage, it still exists. An Indian student who gave up his own life while saving 3 friends. These are not just headlines. These are real stories affecting real people. Stories of struggle, sacrifice, uncertainty, and survival. So let's begin tonight's Skyline with me, Shriti Yatri. Now, for years, many Gujaratis living across America, they saw Mr. Donald Trump as a leader who understood business. They believed that a businessman president, he could create more opportunities, lower cost, strengthen the economy and help the entrepreneurs succeed. Many supported him very enthusiastically, campaigned for him and voted for him believing that their businesses and families, they would be benefit. But today, many of those same supporters, they are expressing disappointment and frustration across states. States like Pennsylvania, Virginia, Illinois, New York, and Texas. Gujaratis say that life has become more expensive than ever before. Grocery bills that once seemed manageable have kind of doubled. Families say that what they could buy for maybe $100 a few years ago, that particular thing now costs $200 or even more. Rising fuel prices, higher transportation costs, and uncertainty created by global conflict, it have added a lot of pressure to the household budgets. Small business owners who expected profits, they are now struggling with increasing expenses. While here some say customers, they are spending less while operational costs continue to rise. Others complain that labor shortage, it has kind of become severe because fewer migrants are arriving and more workers are leaving. Some owners say that they are offering wages as high as $17 per hour, along with bonuses, transportation support, paid holidays, vacations. Yet still, they cannot find enough workers. Many business owners, they are working 12 to 14 hours a day themselves just to keep the operations running. Beyond the economics, there is also concern about social atmosphere. Some Indians say that anti-immigrant rhetoric, it has made them feel uncomfortable. In fact, there are reports of racist comments both online and in public spaces. In fact, several Gujaratis, they say that America feels different from what it used to be few years ago. Here, many now find themselves waiting for political change and wondering whether the promises they once believed will actually become the reality or not. And yes, while many Indians are losing faith in political promises, others are learning that even a job offer cannot always be trusted. Can you imagine spending years studying abroad, paying a lot of tuition fee, working part-time jobs, sacrificing family savings, and dreaming about the day you finally receive your first professional job offer in America? Then imagine discovering that offer that's completely fake. That is exactly what happened to one Indian engineering student who thought that he had secured the perfect opportunity. The salary, it looked attractive. The company appeared professional and the paperwork seemed legitimate. But something did not feel right. Instead of immediately accepting the offer, the student decided to investigate. He checked the official government records and immigration databases and discovered that the company had no real history of sponsoring the H-1B visas. The offer, it was fraud. What makes this story remarkable is not the fraud itself, but the growing awareness among the Indian students. Across American universities, students have become increasingly cautious. They are verifying employers, they are checking legal records, they are researching the company history, speaking with former employees, and ensuring immigration compliance before making any decision. Here, the reason is simple. For international students, one wrong decision, it can affect their entire future. With nearly half of all OPT participants now coming from India, the stakes have never been higher. Well, here students know that falling for a fake employer, it could destroy years of hard work and potentially jeopardize their immigration status. The American dream, it still exists, but today's students, they are approaching it in a much greater caution way than the previous generations. But wait, what happens if students are struggling to trust the employers? What does the wider American job market actually look like today? That's the reality we are going to talk about in our next segment. The latest employment numbers from America, it tells a very complicated story. On the surface, things appear relatively stable. New unemployment claims remain low by historical standards, and companies are not laying off workers in massive numbers. Here, many economists, they say that labor market remains stronger than expected. However, when we look deeper here, a different picture begins to emerge. Hiring has slowed significantly as compared to previous years. Employers are becoming more cautious about expansion. Businesses are holding back on recruitment because of uncertainty surrounding the inflation, global conflict, energy prices, and the economic growth. In fact, you'll be shocked knowing this. The average number of jobs that are being created each month is far lower than what America experienced after the pandemic recovery. While the unemployment rate, it remains relatively low though, opportunities are becoming harder to find. For job seekers, specifically the international workers and recent graduates, competition is increasing. Every vacancy, it attracts more and more applicants. Every interview becomes more important. Here, experts say that the labor market is not collapsing, not at all. But it is no longer providing the same assurance, the same opportunities that workers enjoyed a few years ago. Rising oil prices and economic uncertainty linked to the international tensions are also creating concern about the months ahead. Here, for many Indians hoping to build their careers in America, the message is clear. Jobs still exist, they do, but securing them requires more effort, more patience, and persistence than before. And when opportunities become scarce, even a single layoff announcement, it can kind of send shockwaves through thousands of immigrant families. One of the biggest names in technology, it has once again reminded the employees how quickly fortunes it can change in a modern corporate world. Meta has reportedly eliminated thousands of positions while simultaneously increasing its focus on artificial intelligence, right? Now, for many workers, losing a job, it is a financial setback. But for the employees working in America on H-1B visa, it can become an immigration crisis overnight. Once employment ends, the whole countdown begins. Workers must quickly secure another sponsoring employer, transfer their visa status, or maybe risk losing their ability to remain in the country. Thousands of affected employees, they are now updating their resumes, contacting the recruiters, reaching out to the lawyers applying for positions as quickly as possible. Here, many Indian professionals, they are among those impacted because Indians represent one of the largest group of H-1B visa holders in the US. Meta has directed affected employees to immigration resources and legal support service. But you know what? The uncertainty that remains high. What makes the whole situation even more significant is the broader trend behind that. Ladies and gentlemen, technology companies are increasingly shifting resources towards artificial intelligence. While traditional positions are being eliminated, companies are investing billions of dollars into AI-related projects. Well, this transformation, it is changing hiring priorities across the industry. Here, a challenge facing many professions today, it's not simply finding a job. It is ensuring their skills remain relevant in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. But yes, not every single story making headline is about billion-dollar companies. Sometimes a single moment at the airport, it can really spark a national conversation. A short video recorded at an Indian airport has triggered a surprisingly intense discussion across social media. The issue is not politics or economics or international relationship. It was a baggage console. In the video, a traveler expressed frustration at the way passengers crowd around the luggage belt the moment they start moving. Instead of waiting very calmly, many people rushed forward, right? Blocked the access point, squeezed past one another, and create a lot of confusion. The traveler pointed out that luggage eventually travels around the entire console. The issue was not politics, economics, or international relation. It was a baggage carousel. In a video, a traveler expressed a lot of frustration at the way passengers crowd around the luggage belts just the moment they start moving. Instead of waiting very calmly, many people they rush forward. They block the access point, squeeze past one another, and create a lot of confusion. Well, the traveler pointed out that the luggage it eventually travel around the entire carousel, meaning that there is no need to push or maybe crowd at a single location. His comments resonated with millions of viewers because many people have had such experiences before. They have witnessed similar situations. What was a complaint about airport behavior, it quickly evolved into a broader discussion about civic sense, public etiquettes, patience, social habits. Some viewers they agreed completely and argued that better discipline it would improve public experience. Others said that the problem reflected overcrowding and anxiety rather than poor manners. Well, regardless of which side people supported, the debate it reveals something much interesting here. Sometimes the smallest everyday situation reveals larger truths about the society. A luggage belt became a mirror reflecting how people behave when faced with competition, impatience, and limited space. And yes, while airport debates may spark online arguments, the next story it is one that has left many people heartbroken. Well, few stories capture the human cost of immigration policy as powerful as this one. A mother was deported from the United States earlier this year after being detained during a traffic stop. Her 3-year-old son, an American citizen by birth, he remained behind. What happened next? It shocked many people across the country. During her absence, her younger child, no more. Well, during her absence, her younger child, he passed away, and that too under tragic circumstances. Months later, authorities allowed the mother to return to America, not to reunite with her family or rebuild her future, but to attend her son's funeral. Can you imagine the whole moment? A mother traveling thousands of miles, carrying grief that few people could even fully understand. Well, ladies and gentlemen, according to reports, she had repeatedly attempted to maintain custody of her child and sought ways to bring him with her. But circumstances prevented it. This case has generated intense debate about immigration enforcement, family separation, child welfare, and the government responsibility. Community leaders, activists, legal experts, and even some lawmakers, they have questioned whether different decisions could have prevented this tragedy or not. Across social media and public discussions, many people have kind of described the whole story as the one of the most devastating and heartbreaking examples of how immigration policies can have deeply personal consequences. Well, behind the political debates and legal procedures are families whose lives can be changed forever. And finally, we end with a story of sacrifice, bravery, and extraordinary courage. Just weeks after celebrating his graduation, a young Indian student, he was preparing to begin the next chapter of his life. He had completed his studies, achieved an important milestone, and had every reason to look forward to the future. But fate, it had other plans. During an outing near a reservoir, 3 of his friends found themselves in serious danger in the water. Without hesitation, the young man, he jumped in to help. He focused on saving others rather than protecting himself. Through determination and courage, he managed to rescue all 3 of his friends. But as he attempted to return, his feet, it reportedly became entangled into a fishing wire beneath the water. The current pulled him under, and despite the rescue effort, his life was lost. This tragedy has left family members, friends, classmates, and wider Indian community devastating. In the meantime, fundraising effort they have been launched to help bring his body back to India so that his family can perform the final rites. What makes this story so powerful is the selflessness at the center. Well, in a moment of crisis, he chose to act. 3 people survived because he put his life ahead of them. His future, it was full of possibilities, yet His final act demonstrated remarkable courage and humanity. Some heroes wear uniforms, some heroes hold the position of power, and some heroes are ordinary young people who make the extraordinary decisions when it matters the most. Well, tonight's stories remind us that behind every headline is a human story. A family struggling with inflation, a family struggling with inflation, a student trying to protect his future, workers facing uncertainty after layoffs, a nation debating everyday behavior, a grieving mother carrying unimaginable pain, and a young man whose final act became a lesson in courage. Policies will change, governments will change, economies will rise and fall, but the human stories behind those events, it will always matter. Thank you for joining us on Skyline. I am Dhruti Athri. Stay informed, stay aware, and I will see you in the next edition of Skyline.